Hello, my friends. As the new season approaches, I'm excited to share how you can transform a plain, disorganized bathroom into a tidy, calm, and stylish space. It's a simple and effective way to keep your bathroom feeling fresh and inspiring throughout the year without any major renovations. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set the vision and declutter. This is my little, very humble bathroom. It works just fine, but honestly, it's been feeling a bit crowded and not very organized. Over the years, things have slowly piled up to the point where we don't even remember what we actually have anymore. So before we do anything else, let's pause and give this space a proper declutter. It's time to clear things out and start fresh. Take everything out. Empty the medicine cabinet, under the sink, and all the drawers so you can actually see what you have. Check expiration dates. Go through old makeup, skincare, medications, and any nail polish that's dried out. Use the 1-year rule. If you haven't reached for something in the past year, donate it if possible, or let it go. Step 2. Assess what needs improvement. The countertop needed some attention. There was just a bit too much going on. The towels were definitely past their prime, so it was time for something new and plush. The floor mats were all different colors, leftovers from our previous home, and they just didn't quite fit this space. The toilet paper was sitting out in the open, collecting dust, so a lidded basket felt like a much better solution. The drawers weren't being used very efficiently, so adding a few containers or dividers would make a big difference. The undersink area was pretty chaotic, especially with hair tools everywhere. Step 3. Choose color and materials. After completing your assessment, start taking action, focusing on one area at a time. I like to start with a bathroom that feels timeless, warm, and neutral, something that works beautifully all year round. I add a bit of personality with small, swappable accents when the seasons change. When it comes to materials, think white or oatmeal-colored textiles, warm wood details, and simple ceramic accessories. And for a seasonal touch, just a few small changes make a big difference. Step 4. Refresh decor and accessories. Clear the countertop. Keep only the essentials, like hand soap for a clean and clutter-free vibe that's super easy to wipe down. I chose this natural beige travertine marble vanity tray. I was lucky enough to find a matching canister and soap dispenser. Together, they make my counter feel warm, balanced, and thoughtfully styled. Swap old towels. Bright, plush, and season-themed towels instantly lift the mood and add a cozy touch. Soft and new towels feel great on the skin, making everyday routines feel a little more spa-like. add wall art. A little art goes a long way. Hang a piece or two wall art to bring personality, warmth, and a little visual break from hard surfaces. It is an easy and affordable way to refresh the space. Cozy up the bath. Add soft and inviting touches so your bath feels relaxing, functional, and totally enjoyable. A cozy setup helps turn quick routines into calm spa-like moments. Warm textures and thoughtful organization make the space feel less cold and more welcoming. Update the rugs. Replace old multicolored rugs with a stylish one for a clean and cohesive look that adds comfort and style. A high-impact change without the hassle. I found this lovely 2x6 runner rug to replace my old one. The rich colors hide wear well. It's washable and easy to maintain. The low pile and non-slip design adds a stylish touch to my bathroom. Add white floor mats to complement the bathroom's clean and fresh look. Don't forget the greenery. Flowers or plants add a natural touch, lift your mood, and make the bathroom feel fresh and relaxing. Step 5. Maximize space. The most cost-effective solution is to use proper drawer organizers to keep toiletries neatly arranged. This maximizes space efficiency, significantly reduces clutter, and allows you to quickly find what you need without digging through piles. A hair tool organizer is a great way to keep your bathroom neat. It's perfect for holding flat irons, hair dryers, combs, and brushes. It keeps cords from ending up everywhere. You can set it on the counter, hang it on the wall, or tuck it inside a cabinet, whatever works best for your space. The 3-tier standing storage shelf is an easy and stylish way to keep your bathroom essentials organized. The 2 handles make it easy to move. The basket gives you plenty of space while adding a natural and cozy touch to the room. Made from natural water hyacinth, sturdy and long-lasting. It fits right in with any home style. The size is just right, useful without taking up too much space. When maximizing bathroom space, the area above the toilet tank is perfect for small items like toilet paper, candles, or a reed diffuser. Toilet paper need a home. This bamboo frame basket holds 12 standard rolls. It's easy to assemble, no tools required. It has a waterproof build and a lid to keep out dust and moisture. Slim design fits perfectly in small bathrooms. The anti-slip bottom that keeps it off the floor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you reset your bathroom into a calm, tidy space you'll enjoy using every day. Some of the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the reset. I'll see you next time.